Welcome to the month of August. I'm Eric Mauk, Managing Director at Razor Tracking.
And I'm Mike Willers, our go-to market director.
As you've probably noticed, our marketing team has been teasing you for the last month that we have an upcoming announcement. We're super pumped. Today, we're bringing that announcement to you. A lot of you know Razor Tracking as an industry leader in innovation.
Yeah, and Razor Tracking is an industry leader as a GPS and fleet and telematics platform. So we have things such as current tracking, vehicle map history, reports such as safety and efficiency reports. We have inspections for both your vehicle along with your static assets, and we also do have advanced dispatch and jobs, but also we have dash cameras.
And that's what we're bringing you today. So a lot of you are familiar with our dash cameras for the last year and a half. Now we're bringing to market the industry-leading X6 AI camera that brings a bevy of different features.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have true live feed into the cabin of this camera. We also have driver coaching, driver analytics. We also have in-cab alerts, which are both audio and visual. We have distance and collision alerts. We also have cell phone detection and also no seatbelt detection. We have many, many more features, so let's talk about those.
Yeah, there's literally dozens of new features that come with this. We're not going to take you through them all today, but they are all customizable if you want to turn them off, you want to turn them on, you want to adjust those thresholds based on your industry. Over the road is going to be different than ag. It's going to be different than the rough job sites of construction. So we're going to have that customized right to your needs, and you can also add additional auxiliary cameras to this as well for behind the cab, side mirrors, all of those.
Absolutely, and the installation is extremely easy with this camera. It's simply either a plug and play into your diagnostic port, or we also do have a 3-wire install for those vehicles that don't have a diagnostic port.
So reach out to our teams today at 833-GO-RAZOR. Go to our website at razortracking.com or email us at info@razortracking.com. Thank you.